Alright, this is the first full sound and lighting test on my Ghostbusters Proton pack build. And first video I've put up of it anyway. So here we are on the thrower with the main power switch. I'll go ahead and turn that on. With the familiar sound. And the bar doing its thing. Got all the normal lights, including the cyclotron cycling, and the LED bar doing its thing. And let's see what else we got. Got the main power light. Let's turn that sucker on. There's a little light in there too, like from the movie. It's kind of hard to see. This other switch down here, this bottom one, actually will play the theme song music. But before we get to that, let's go ahead and test the thrower and test what happens when you hold it down too long, which will then overheat, and you will hear and see what that does. So here we go. See the lights going faster? Overheated. And then we get a pack venting light down there. Now that part is not actually movie accurate. It was kind of an addition to this kit, but it can be disabled and not light up, so it will be just like the movie. So I've got the option. But again, everything does seem to be working. Still got some other odds and ends to do, but it does work. And when you power it down, get that familiar noise. And there you have it.